are you looking for a solid options trading solution or any sort of solid method of approach that you could use for trading for a living, trading from home, having some sort of work from home type of job. Now, in terms of a work from home type of trading job, you would do what? You have to analyze your situation in terms of your immediate income needs and go from there. So you can start small and then get the ball rolling. So as you are establishing some sort of immediate income solution, you don't want to wait. You want to be learning and practicing, and then trying to get to one contract as quick as you can with a good options trading system. First, you want to learn the system and study it, and study it historically. Do pretend trading by looking at the charts, going bar by bar, and ask yourself honestly, what do I do on this bar? What do I do on this next bar? You can practice and work out a lot of mechanics, pretending as if you were trading from day to day, right? You want to practice acting and reacting according to the system, and you can save a ton of time by doing that versus demo trading. If you're trading like a swing trading system or a trend trading system, it's going to take a long time. Days keep going by. Just it takes a whole day for a whole day, and it just takes so long to progress. But that's good too. Yet you can use my pretend trading method. I can't really call it mine, but I don't hear anyone else talk about it. So, or maybe there's some software out there you can use that can move the bars ahead, bar by bar at a certain rate. Or you can use you can shove the price chart to the right, and you can use a right arrow key to go bar by bar. Now, the question is, where do you start? Well, on optionstradingauthority.com, we put a few systems here that are good starter systems. Now, the ultimate starter system that everyone should learn and master is OTA Core and OTA Core Pro. This is the foundational system of this site. Okay? This is an intuitive method where I was able to make a lot of money, right? But I had to concentrate a ton, right? I had to, get in tune with this inner voice, this inner core of all the right answers. And it can be difficult, especially if you have a lot of things going on in your life, you have a lot of emotions swirling around. It takes a lot of energy and focus and a lot of time to just be continually tuned in like that. But it's good to have these type of intuitive skills. But eventually, as I grew a little older, I learned more about, I guess you can call it, price charts and technical analysis. And then I started looking at the price chart and comparing to when I would get in intuitively, or I compared some different series of trades over time where I was able to do very well. And I realized that there were repetitive things on this price chart thingy that I could just do, right? And I could just, I can back engineer out where I would enter, and by using all the tools on the price chart, come up with some rules, and I did. And I had a first round at it, and then eventually I came to perfect the exact tools that you can use that are very simple now. It's simplified, and what's the saying? Simplification is genius. And so the intuitive method has been simplified into a clear set of rules that you can do, and you can do these rules over and over. See, I would have to get way into things. I would have to go out and look at the best stocks, the best scenarios, any sort of potential future motivator of price action, and I have to do all this stuff. Now with OTA Core and then double or more your profits trades with OTA Core Pro, which are different trades than OTA Core. Okay, just to let you know. With this method that's so crystal clear and easy to use, you don't have to go expending all this energy. You don't have to have all this focus. You can just do this method over and over on every move that comes by, up and down and up and down. So with me, when I was younger, I had to focus in on this epic storyline and this motivated move, and I would only play this move. Essentially, it was a trend, okay, a trend that went parabolic, right? And so I would. Well, it wasn't parabolic at the start. Okay, so I got lucky it went parabolic. Let's clarify that too. So I only played this one move, and that was it. I was exhausted for a while, and I'll just let the profit sit in my account doing nothing. Right? So then eventually I realized, after I developed the system, like, wait a minute, I don't have to spend I can spend 99% less energy and just do this method, dink, 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 over and over, and make, I never really calculated the amount money more, but scores more, multiple times, 10, 20, whatever times more, especially with compounding positions. Okay, compounding means you increase your position size in proportion to your account size, using a percent-based model that you eventually optimize over time. Okay, start small, and so I realized I could trade so many more moves, and it became so simple. So then, so I figured, you know what, I can't just keep this to myself here. Let's just teach some other folks. Okay, see if they can go, start breaking past 7 figures. Okay, 8 figures, and so on. And it just depends. You have the tools here with this system. It's absolutely excellent. It's a must. These are must-have systems. Okay, so what you do, you get them, learn them, and then ask us questions if you need any help. There are a lot of extra clarity videos in these 2 courses that were put in there, so you should be able to get it pretty quickly. But you have the support ticket system. You can go learn the system, and then do some screenshots, draw on them, ask your questions, whatever. That can help you learn the system faster. All right? And, take advantage of that while it's still available. Okay? The support ticket system is essentially free coaching on your system. All right? Why? Because we are interested in your success. Because if you're successful, then, well, we figured, hey, we did a good job. But then also, if you tell us about it, and then we can go tell people about your success, you can use your initials. And that helps. I mean, we've done such a lackadaisical marketing job over the years. But anyways, figure we better do this now, and before we move on to something else, just see if we can help some people get going, and just start compounding for life. Okay, compounding for life. That's a new good slogan. These 2 are great. Anyways, there's a blog, blah, 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 blah. And you can scroll down here, and you can see some other very good, solid systems. Options Weekly Paycheck System A and B. Must have, must do. Same with Flux 3. Chart Pattern Rich is the same. Power Trend Trading, that may be the way to go for a lot of you guys out there who want more laid-back action, but, big moves. Same with Cyclone Core. Okay, Cyclone 2, more opportunities. All right, TVG 99 is almost like a gimmick. So, well, a gimmick sounds bad, but it's almost like a loophole. Even that sounds bad, but it's just such a neat thing where you can just use this and just trade it over and over systematically, and or use it to your advantage with your other system trading. Powder Keg 12, powerful, fundamental, right? Very good system. Stackers 3 is another pillar system that is a must-have. Right? All of our stacker systems, these are must-have and must employ. Then what do we have here at the end? Mayday. Not sure why we probably named this wrong. It's probably like offend some people. Or thought about it over time. Anyways, it's a big home run method for options. All right, you got to have one of those, right? So in your trading, you got to be, strategically looking out for the big epic moves where you can turn your options position into 1,000%, 2,000%, 3,000% potentially, or whatever. Okay. So, anyways, that's about it. I've talked a bit, here, and come to Options Trading Authority. Hope we can help. We've helped students in the past, and do very well. Okay. So if you need help, just go contact us. Should be a link below. There it is. Okay. Thank you. I wish you well. And come on and sign up for our free newsletter too. And we'll try to, we need to update that newsletter, some new things. Okay. That's about it. All right. Thank you.